Hi guys, happy Saturday. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, and if you are returning, what's up? My name is Awatli Ned, and this vlog is spend the Saturday with me. I'm already done showering. I had like a very slow morning editing some old YouTube videos, and then also trying to make brunch and the like that I'm going to show you, and then also finally catching up on Bridgerton, which I have just paused. But I don't know, a quick, I've not even paid that much attention yet, but a quick review is I think there's some series that are not that interesting to everybody as much as they, they're like so popular to everyone, but maybe they are sometimes not everybody's target market as well. I think I like medium, how can I call it, medium action movies, like not a lot but also not too little, just in the middle there. I also like love stories. I like like, I don't know. I think Bridgerton is nice, but it's a little too much for me. I think a little too much, but anyway, I'm still gonna watch it while I have my brunch. And today I'm just staying in. This weekend I'm just staying in, so yep. I have pimple here and I think another one here. Anyway, what do you guys do on the weekends when you stay at home? I would like to know. Tell me in the comment section, because I think all I've done is just laze around, make something to eat. Now I'm going to watch and the like. So yeah, that's what my weekend is going to look like. So those are my potatoes. I'm going to make them, I don't know what they call it, salted. I want to fry them in like tomato sauce and stuff, but first let them dry up a little bit more. So this is me making the sauce for the potatoes. So this is how it looks like. Let me just start and then this is how they look like. I've really forgotten how these potatoes are called, but yeah. So it's just basically preventing you from eating very dry potatoes. So I'm going to couple that up with eggs. I'm trying to make them scrambled. This is how my food turned out. So I think these are called Hi, welcome to a Sunday in my life. My mic is here. Also, my top is a bit burnt, but anyway, I'm watching church because when they decided we won't have power. Yeah, so I'm watching on my laptop. This is how I'm going to be the entire Sunday. Hi, so it's Sunday. So it's Sunday and I made pancakes for breakfast. as I watch church. Clearly, I'm a hater, so I can't watch my TV, so I'm watching on my laptop as I have breakfast. So I've made pancakes as I watch church because